Zanskar Valley's Chadar Trek, Frozen River Trek. Imagine walking on a frozen river, surrounded by towering cliffs and nothing but the sound of your breath and the crunch of ice beneath your feet. Welcome to the Chadar Trek, one of the most surreal and challenging treks in the world. Located in the remote region of Ladakh, the Chadar Trek takes you across the frozen Zanskar River during the harsh winter months, when temperatures can drop to as low as -30 degrees Celsius. The word Chadar means blanket in Hindi, referring to the thick sheet of ice that forms over the river. This natural phenomenon creates a temporary route between Zanskar and Leh, used traditionally by locals for centuries. The trek typically spans over 8 to 9 days and covers around 60 to 75 kilometers, depending on the trail condition. It begins from chilling village and passes through deep gorges, frozen waterfalls, and ice caves, with the final destination being the Zanskar village of Nerak. What makes the Chadar Trek so special is not just its difficulty, but the ever-changing nature of the ice. The Chadar transforms daily, smooth and glassy one day, cracked and rough the next. Trekkers must adapt, move carefully, and stay alert at all times. If you're enjoying this journey into the heart of the Himalayas, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more offbeat and extreme travel stories. Your support keeps this adventure going. Nights are spent in tents pitched on thick ice or in caves. Hot meals, sleeping bags rated for extreme cold, and the warmth of fellow trekkers are all that keep you going in the freezing wilderness. The Chadar Trek is not for the faint-hearted. The terrain is unpredictable, and the weather is unforgiving. But for those who dare, it is one of the most rewarding and unforgettable adventures in the world. The trek usually runs from mid-January to early February. However, climate change is rapidly impacting the region, shortening the duration and affecting the thickness of the ice each year. Whether you're an adrenaline junkie or a nature lover seeking serenity in the extremes, the Chadar Trek will leave a lasting mark on your soul. This is not just a trek, it's a journey through time, tradition, and untamed nature. Subscribe for more hidden adventures. Until next time, keep exploring the unexplored.